Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.